more, you guys. Welcome to my new vlog. I'm making a new vlog. Yeah, today's like 11 and Liza sign, guys. Look at outside. It's beautiful out there. And of course, it's raining and still quarantine, you guys. Which wise is I don't know how to say. I would not say it's worse or bad or something, or I don't know what to say about the coronavirus or COVID-19 or quarantine. Which wise I'm doing a vlog for you guys. Another one, guys. So let's talk about something. I don't know. I just sleep in my brother's room over there. I'm back in my other room where my brother don't sleep here no more. So so I might be busy. So yeah, because I have some work online to do. Finish like. Anyway, I'm not going to show a whole video for it because last time I just did a video of where we did like this thing called Zoom. It's a it's like Skype, and you have to chat with people online and probably work for school also, everything. I don't know, never had used that my first time. So anyway, let's just try to finish this. It's going to take like an hour for it, so yeah. See how this goes. Just to ask you guys, there's my window over there. Okay, so I'm feeling really cold because my elbow and my upper arm, it feels cold right there. So I'm feeling cold a bit. My room is cold, so that's why I'm all sleepy in my brother's room. It's really warm. I don't know why I sleep there, cause I don't feel like sleeping in my room, cause I might catch a cold a bit. I did not catch coronavirus. Like, I went outside, for example. Like, if you go outside and stuff and you catch a coronavirus, or go to a store, catch a coronavirus, or by people, anybody you don't know, catch a cold. No, a cold. Sorry, guys. I might feel a cold because I felt cold in my elbow part because I'm not wearing a sweater and I'm about to feel cold. You look at my arms, mine feel like goosebumps, if you could see that there. So, yeah, I'm okay, not coronavirus. Don't think yesterday, cause I coughed yesterday. So I don't think I'm not coughing no more, you guys. So, yeah. Just as I thought, you guys, I was doing some work, so either though, I just thought I just had a meeting on Thursday with my theater teacher, yeah. And I was trying to get on to Zoom, and I heard a message saying she fixed my grade, and my grade was okay. So far, I don't know. I would say it's alright or bad, but so we don't have like meetings for today, guys. Anyway, I wanted to show you this. Here's my grade. I did this grade right there, so I might say B. Yeah. And question one I did last couple months ago, 2 months. Bad. So that's my theater teacher. So we had class meeting, of course. So yeah. So guys, don't think we have like some meetings for this week. So anyway, done with homeschool. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, I just thought it was homeschool, but not really. But anyway, I was doing some work. It made me feel like homeschool. So yeah, homeschool, guys. Yeah, I feel like homeschool because this is my room right there, my bed, and I need to fix this. Sorry about that, miss. I was clearing out my backpack, so this is my backpack right there. So it's a Adidas backpack. This is like 2 years ago or 3. I got that from when my dad when after I graduated he bought me this backpack. I don't know. It's a bit good. Say my real dad. Anyway, who knows? Anyway, it's still rainy out there. So I don't know what to do. I might try to get breakfast or eat. I don't know. I'm not technically much hungry cause I need to save food for my grandma and my brother. I don't know. I just don't care about food that much. Well, yesterday night I technically eat that much. I ate like some crackers and cheese. Alright. I don't want to eat too much cause I'm going to survive that, guys. I my grandma my grandma's cook this. You know, you don't think it's bad, no. Soup, soup is good for you because you won't catch a cold. Yep, and it's warm. And also, let's see. So, soup is good. I say the fish is good. I don't know how my grandma cooked them. First of all, I don't know why she put broccoli. I thought broccoli can fit together with fish. So, my grandma just cooked this and it's steak, you guys. Ooh. My grandma just cooked steak and I would thought it's very good, so I don't know, who knows. So I might try a bite. It's chewy, so yeah. It's really good. What's up, everyone? My friends here, company. Sup, Johan? Sup,
You lied?
Nah.
Philly ramen is motherfucker. Philly ramen finna get it bad.
Man, this guy's cool. Career as fuck. Man, all those guys don't have coronavirus, and then
When you write, I'm not gonna answer. It's psychology.
Beforehand, I just technically passed out and then I started waking up. Then one of his friends showed up. They were playing Smash and they're making music.
Oh, yeah, I wanted. Yeah, go ahead.
So I'm just trying to count. I was about to do my computer or doing my phone. I don't know. I was watching Twitch. I don't know. I was watching Twitch on this other phone. It has Twitch.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
So I've not used this phone that much. My phone's about to die. So I do have Twitch. It's right there. You can see it Twitch. So anyway, yeah. I don't know what to do. I don't do a stream no more because my system broke down. So just chill with those homies, man. No, we're Libra and a Scorpio. So I have my breakfast, oatmeal. As you know, we have like half pound of oatmeal I had there. So, Kevin. So we don't have cereal and either milk. So we're going to make breakfast. And my brother and his friends cooking, making waffles.
Bro, it's 4 o'clock.
Okay, you know. Otherwise, I'm just hungry. It's whatever, guys. So without milk, I'm going to put this on my oatmeal. So anyway, we don't have milk. Just to warn you guys, I did used up my milk. It did expire a bit on my other video. So yeah. So we have like oatmeal and cereal. I might put like a little bit of water on it, so it's not gonna be bad. And then you have to mix it. Yeah. and you microwave it. Don't worry about the cereal if you microwave it. Oh, also one thing, plain sugar. Which wise I would do it after. So we don't have sugar. I did on my last video. Had this syrup still. It's like half filled. So I might put down my cereal and my oatmeal.
Because I didn't know like with the shirts, I didn't know like which goes where.
Alright. 400. And I'm ready. Let's see how that goes. So as you know, here it goes. My oatmeal cinnamon toast crunch, or I could say cinnamon oatmeal sweet bang. So here it goes. Well, I don't know how that tastes like. It might taste like cinnamon. I don't have milk and yep, don't have milk. This is going to be hot, so see how that tastes. The cinnamon is sweet. So anyway, that's how you make that. Chilling, man. So anyway, I had some surprise. I am playing Fortnite. Check this freaking out! What? Deadpool? Is that Call Team Deadpool or something? What? Unbelievable, guys. But look, I don't know. By the way, I'm live right now. I don't know. I just moved in. So there's my Xbox right there. And there's my connecting. So otherwise, I'm back playing Fortnite. I know last time I was angry for that. So anyway, that's supplies. So best I could want to have the Deadpool. What? This is freaking weird as heck, man. This is weird. What the heck, guys? I don't even have that much money. Look what I have. 800. Look at this. How am I supposed to get that, guys, man? You know what? I'm not buying shit. But guess what? I don't know about those homies. Anyway. Krabby? Why?
This shit gotta be at least like 1 minute.
What?
Krabby!
Krabby.
Bro, you legit skipped it. There!
This? Oh, there. Yeah, but more than once it. Hey, that looks cool, by the way. So anyway, don't play Fortnite. Look how many kills. Look how many my stats on so well. Man, you know I did made a victory royale, guys. But yeah, I show you. So I done my replays. So anyway, don't worry about my worst. Anyway, there is VR training and April 9. I don't know if you could see it. So April 9 and then 4 kills and I made a victory royale right there. Guys. So anyway, yeah. I don't know I'm going back live stream, don't think so, but I have my live stream right there. I did May 1, that's why it got minute ago I ended. So don't think I'm not going back. I'm just going to chill on my board. So anyway, I'm not done any live stream. I haven't done live stream like almost 7 days. You see here, the last one, the second. This when I got mad, angry, when yeah. I was like playing some random games. I played for like 2-3 hours. Actually, I say more than 5. Which wise were chilling, so in the kitchen, and some of my friends or my brothers eating chips, and anyway, going to wash out this water or not, and then I have my cup, my drink, my Sprite there. So anyway, I'm okay, guys. Here's the thing, guys. It's just a cough, so not a coronavirus, but I don't either feel that cold. I was like drinking soda and drinking. I was not eating that yet. Still with, but it's just a cough, guys. Oh, sorry about that. I was eating those kind chips. The waste chips. Sorry, let me take a look. Yeah, this chip. I was eating this and then drinking white and not my cup and all that, and I was like, I don't know what to say. It's just a cough and I feel like cold or something. It's not a coronavirus, but I didn't either feel that kind of cold, so it's not about those fans. I didn't thought those fans are sick. They're not sick, by the way. Yeah. I just try to make them invite to my house or anything they're welcome to, so. And those guys, homies I know, they're welcome to my house. I don't care if people are not allowed. Especially, well. Anyway, I just give them drinks and chips and stuff. It's alright. I'm just nice to them. My grandma will let me bring them there. I don't care. So anyway, these are good chips. So either though, I was drinking my cup. Yep, and we play. I didn't let them play my Xbox, by the way. So we just bought them like in the gym. They were making music and stuff, and they're like talking shit and saying about me. I was like sleeping on the couch and stuff. Well, about that. I'm feeling cold, by the way. So my hands are cold and I don't think my elbows, but I just touched it. About to feel cold, and my Sprite and 7-Up was cold, really. So, oh, sorry about that. So, anyways, guys, yeah, I don't think I had coronavirus. Just make sure. Anyway, for me, I haven't taken a shower that much. I haven't taken a shower like 2 days. And I might take a shower tomorrow because I don't know. And I don't know about sleeping in my brother's room, which why is I warn my brother not to cough or make him sick. I don't think my brother had been sick, so excuse me. So I don't know about me. So yeah, guys, I'm alright, guys. It's just a cough, not a coronavirus. So coronavirus, like you stay outside and you had a cough, fever, and you feel like you're shaking, you're going to die, something like that. Well, probably is that. Well, still in quarantine, guys, so I just had a cough a bit while playing games, by the way. It's a bit worse, or not worse, and then my brother heard me cough and is saying like, why I'm still coughing and then. Ugh. I don't know, it's because the food, you guys. One of those friends did not drink and eat my chips and stuff. Just this. And I don't know what's that, water, I say. We bought like 3 friends. Yeah, they're cool. I don't care. I could let them around here. Like, I care to bring them there. So anyway, guys, yeah, I hope that's it, guys. So I don't know how long is my video. I might put it short, so I'm like freakish or something. I don't know. I don't really like it. About tomorrow, I don't know what to do tomorrow. So now my parents are going home. That's what my brother said. And then next time my brother will invite them again tomorrow. I will like them calm. I don't care. And then I don't know about doing live streaming a lot. I don't know. Because when I play games and I usually cough that much while I was eating or drinking with some friends. It's not because I had coronavirus. They do have their mask while going out, so just to warn them, you guys, if you don't have your mask on yourself, the police will give you like $1,000 fine, and it's a really warning, you guys. It's really bad. So that's why my brother heard is like stupidest thing I heard. $8,000 fine going outside without a mask. Ugh. It's worse, you guys. And I don't think so. Man, I feel like shaking, like just shocking. I'm alright, guys. So I might show you which part is I'm cold at. So my hands are cold because I was playing games, and I don't know, not technically speaking. I don't think my elbow is cold, especially this elbow. And part of my legs, my foot, I might show you. I don't want to do that from the kitchen. So my foot right there was really cold because so I had a hole in my socks. So yeah, the floor is kind of cold. My floor is like wood and soft carpet. Wood in kitchen and the bathroom, and carpet in my living room, and my old carpet in our room. So I don't know if it's gonna be bad or bad. So I'm like freakish because yeah, my friends leave, and then I was staying with my brother, and I don't know what to do. One of my I was like playing games, and then that's all, you guys. That's all I had to say, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So I might end it. So for today. So I don't know about editing videos. Last time I did it's like a 30-minute video I did for 3 days before that. So right now I'm like freaky because I don't know I had coronavirus or not. Every time I went outside, every time, sometimes I went shopping one time. That's all I did. One time, like last week ago, 2 weeks actually, a week or a week half. So I don't know, pretty bad. I don't know, pretty good or fine. I would say a fine for me because I'm like technically scared of it. So anyway, guys, I might end it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, check out all my videos, my vlogs, and I see you guys next day. I'll court you guys.